Most people think the key to wealth is saving money. While saving is important, it's not the real game changer. What truly builds wealth is earning more. If you focus solely on cutting expenses, you're limiting your potential. Instead, you need to unlock new opportunities to increase your income. The first step is mindset. Stop thinking about money as something to hoard and start viewing it as a tool to grow your life. You should be thinking about increasing your earning potential, not just how much you can save. Shift your focus toward building your income streams and creating financial opportunities. Start by investing in yourself. The more skills you acquire, the more valuable you become in the marketplace. Whether it's learning a new skill, improving existing ones, or seeking out mentorship, investing in your own knowledge is the foundation of earning more. This will eventually pay off in higher paying opportunities. The second step is exploring side hustles. There are endless ways to make extra money these days: freelancing, online businesses, or selling products. Look for opportunities that align with your skills and interests. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start small and build up gradually. Don't be afraid to take risks. If you want to increase your earnings, you'll need to step outside your comfort zone. It could mean changing careers, launching a business, or investing in something new. The most successful people are those who have taken calculated risks. Growth comes from stepping into the unknown. Networking is another powerful tool. Surround yourself with people who think big and are focused on growth. Build relationships with others who have achieved success in the areas you're interested in. Collaboration and mentorship can open up new doors that would have otherwise remained closed. Your next step is leveraging technology. In today's digital world, there are countless tools and platforms that can help you increase your income. Whether it's using apps to sell products, learning through online courses, or finding clients through social media, technology can help you scale your income faster than ever before. Think about passive income. It's not enough to rely solely on active income from your job. Look for ways to generate income while you sleep through investments, real estate, or automated online businesses. The more streams of income you create, the more financial freedom you'll gain in the long run.
One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking they can't earn more unless they're working 80 hours a week. This couldn't be further from the truth. Focus on efficiency, not just working harder. With the right strategies, you can work less and earn more. It's all about making smarter decisions, not just harder ones. Increase your financial literacy. The more you understand about money, the better decisions you'll make. Read books, watch videos, take courses. Whether it's understanding how to invest or managing taxes, the more educated you are about your money, the more control you'll have over it. Don't underestimate the power of negotiation. Whether it's negotiating your salary, the price of services, or a business deal, improving your negotiation skills can dramatically increase your income. Be confident in knowing your worth and don't settle for less than what you deserve. Understand the importance of time. Time is money, and how you spend it directly affects your earning potential. Focus on activities that contribute to your financial growth and cut out time wasters. Whether it's spending less time on distractions or finding ways to delegate tasks, every moment counts. Stay disciplined with your goals. While it's important to earn more, it's also crucial to stay focused and disciplined. The temptation to overspend or fall into bad habits can set you back. Keep your goals in mind, stay motivated, and make decisions that align with your vision of financial success. Track your progress. Make sure you are measuring your income growth regularly. This will help you stay on track and spot opportunities for improvement. It's easy to get lost in the day-to-day, but by reviewing your financial journey, you can assess whether you're moving toward your goals effectively. Most importantly, embrace a growth mindset. To truly unlock your financial potential, you need to believe that you can earn more. Focus on learning, adapting, and growing. There will be challenges along the way, but with a mindset geared toward growth, you will keep moving forward. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Everyone experiences them at some point, but they don't define your financial journey. Use challenges as learning opportunities and fuel to push you toward greater success. The path to wealth is not always straight, but persistence will pay off. Focus on long-term goals. While it's exciting to earn money in the short term, it's the long-term investments and strategies that will build lasting wealth. Take your time, plan ahead, and think about how your actions today can impact your financial future. If you want to make significant progress, surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Build a support system of people who encourage you to earn more and push you toward financial growth. Find mentors who can offer valuable advice, and collaborate with others who share similar goals. The bottom line is that earning more is the true key to financial freedom. It's not about cutting every little expense. It's about positioning yourself to earn more, diversify your income, and create long-term wealth. Start taking action now, and you'll see your financial potential grow. The sooner you start focusing on earning more, the faster you'll achieve financial freedom. Don't get distracted by minor expenses or small savings tricks. Instead, direct your energy into increasing your income. That's the real way to build wealth and achieve the life you want. Take small steps every day. You don't need to make huge leaps, but consistency is key. Whether you're negotiating for a better salary, starting a side hustle, or improving your skills, every step you take brings you closer to your ultimate financial goals. As you progress, you'll notice your mindset shifting. You'll go from thinking about saving pennies to thinking about earning thousands. Your confidence will grow, and you'll start seeing opportunities everywhere. Keep this mindset, and you'll continue to attract financial success into your life. By changing your focus from saving to earning more, you're giving yourself permission to grow financially. It's time to take control of your financial future. Stop limiting yourself with small goals and start working toward big ones. The path to wealth is wide open. Go after it. Now's the time to take action. Start today by seeking ways to increase your income. Whether it's through a new career opportunity, a side project, or smart investments, the possibilities are endless. Take that first step now and watch your financial life transform. Take action and embrace the journey to financial success. Stay motivated, stay focused, and know that every step you take brings you closer to a more secure and prosperous future. You have the power to unlock your full financial potential. Don't wait any longer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Stay tuned for more strategies on how to unlock your earning potential. It's time to take control of your future, starting today.